Hello and welcome back to Sandpoint Institute Belagavi. This is Priyanka. From tomorrow onwards, that is 9th, 10th, 11th of October 2023, you will be writing SSC JE paper 1 and paper 2 will be conducted in the month of December. So you might have seen the thumbnail, that is how to attempt SSC JE 2023 exam. Andra, in today's video, I will be giving you certain tips and tricks on how to attend the questions in this SSC JE exam. So we all know that SSC JE exam is conducted online and calculator is not allowed. Okay, so other valaga general studies valaga 50 marks is for general studies, aptitude and reasoning is for 50 marks, and civil engineering, electrical or mechanical, that is our core subjects, will be asked for 100 marks. That is, this exam is altogether for 200 marks, 200 questions, which mean per question is having 1 mark and there is negative of 1/4 marks, and the total duration for this exam is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes. So what is the meaning? Every question should take, okay, you should take to answer every question less than 1 minute. Okay, so less than 1 minute. Now every question it's very difficult, so average it off. That is simple question you will be answering even in 5-10 seconds also, and difficult questions will take around 2 minutes of time. But on an average you should be spending time less than 1 minute per question. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. See, there is no hard and fast rule that you should go with this only. Anyways, this is online exam, so choice is given to you. ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್. ಬಟ್ this is the solution which I am suggesting. If you feel comfortable, you can follow this. So what I personally feel is it's better if you attempt first civil engineering questions. Okay, so ಇದು SSC JE exam ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕೈತಿ. We know that because the minimum qualification for this SSC JE exam is diploma. So ಹಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ and numericals will be very very simple, because mains, that mains antalla like paper 2 ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ which will be completely civil engineering questions, wherein there will be 100 question and every question carries 3 mark, so that the entire question paper will be for 300 marks. So paper 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ, like once you qualify tomorrow's exam, then you will be eligible for paper 2. So ಆ time ಒಳಗೆ you can expect some lengthy difficult numericals. But when we talk about tomorrow's exam, the question paper will be very easy. The only thing what you have to concentrate in SSC JE exam is time management. So remember this, time management is very very important. Questions easy irtav but time bhal kami irate, not even 1 minute per question. So alli nav ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we will commit the mistakes. So now further I will be giving you certain tips. Okay, so the very first tip is, as I mentioned, go with the technical questions first. Okay, so simple questions ಏನು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, try answering simple questions and don't have any grudge on any single question that I have to get question on this. Usually this happens for the numerical question. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ 2-3 minutes ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ lot of time will be consumed in answering only 1 or 2 questions. So if you feel that the question is taking more than 1 minute, leave such questions and go for the next question. So first round olaga for technical, try answering simple question, then go for aptitude and reasoning and try answering simple questions, then go for general studies questions like history, then geography questions ಏನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, so again try answering simple questions. So first one the round, try answering simple questions in all these 3 sections. And once this is done, then go for the second round. Again start with the technical, now try answering difficult questions. So as the exam is online, so you can change the answers, that is options anytime. ಈಗ ನಮ್ದು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ OMR ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ we cannot change the answer, but that is not true in online. So you can change the answer, so you can just mark for review. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿವಿಸಿಟ್ ದಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆನ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಟು ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ you answer more than 140 marks. That is minimum. I am telling you minimum 140 to 160 are minimum ನೀವು correct answer ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then there are high chances that you will be eligible for paper 2 of this SSC JE mains. ಆಮೇಲೆ our Karnataka students neglect this exam. Okay, ಇದೇನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. I don't know what is the reason. Many times I have given you the importance of this exam, and even I have conducted lot of interactive sessions also who have been selected in this SSC JE and working in various central government departments, but still you take the things very lightly. I don't know what is the reason behind that, though the syllabus remains the same. So this is the reason I am making this video today, so that whatever you have studied for KPSC exams, ಈಗ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮದು ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ KPSC standard AE JE course of 23 subjects, then that course is more than sufficient for your technical SSC JE exams also, including this tomorrow's paper 1 and paper 2 of December exam. So it will take care everything. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನೂ ಓದೋದು ನೆಸಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಜಾಗ್ರಫಿ, ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸು ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ SSC JE is ನಿಮ್ದು 100 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್, 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯುವರ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ 150 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಆಕೈತಿ. ದೆನ್ 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಜೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. So that is the reason if you are strong in aptitude and reasoning and in our civil engineering questions ala, this is more than sufficient to qualify this paper 1 and be eligible for paper 2. And don't worry about paper 2 now. You will be getting 2 months of time, and that time is more than sufficient. And whatever I have told you earlier, that is if you have joined our course, that is more than sufficient. Okay, so this is the very simple trick or technique which you have to follow for SSC JE exam. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು OMR ಒಳಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ 15th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 15th ಕನ್ನ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಅ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ ಟಿಪ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಈಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. Question paper will be very simple, very easy. So time management, ನೀವು time manage ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ definitely you will qualify. And if you have practiced our test series and all, which we have given free along with our KPSC course, then those test series are also more than sufficient for this. Because whenever we talk of any competitive exam, accuracy in answering the questions, and also you should see to it that you don't commit any mistakes for the simple questions. ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸೂ ಎರರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅವರ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಸೆಷನ್, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೂ ಗಾಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ RWS AE, he told that only, like he missed with very few marks for PWD AE. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಲೈಕ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾನು ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದೇನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಈಸಿ ಐತಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಓವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಐ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. And those mistakes I rectified for this RWS AE exam. So ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಐ ನೋ SSC JE ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೋರು ಭಾಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅದಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಒಳಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಇದ್ದ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಕೂಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ದ prerequisites, that is documents needed, that is your ID proof, hall ticket and all, and be on time for the exam. So this is what I wanted to share in today's video with respect to upcoming SSC JE 2023 exam. Follow these tips along with your proper preparation for all the subjects, that is technical, general studies, as well as your aptitude and reasoning. So saying this, all the very best for tomorrow's exam. And I also want to tell you that online courses for all the various exams, that is for our PWD AEE as well as other KPSC exams, courses are available, and even aptitude and reasoning as well as general studies course is also available. So if you wish to join the course, then contact the number mentioned here, that is 99160858884471414748. So see you soon with yet another informative video.